Good morning, students. Today we will discuss matrices and some special types of matrices. So what is a matrix? A set of mn elements, real or complex, arranged in a rectangular array having m rows, that is along horizontal lines, and n rows, that is along vertical lines. Then the numbers being enclosed by the brackets is called an m by n matrix. So students, matrix क्या है? Matrix is actually arrangement of elements along rows and columns, that is along horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay. Then an m by n matrix is also called a matrix of order m by n. Any matrix of order m by n has m into n elements. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है, तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना है, इसमें कितनी रोज है, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड रो, कॉलम कितने हैं, फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड कॉलम थर्ड कॉलम, तो इसका ऑर्डर क्या हो गया 2/3. पहले हम रोज लिखते हैं फिर कॉलम्स लिखते हैं. ठीक है. अगर हमने देखना है कि इस मैट्रिक्स में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. तो इसमें 6 एलिमेंट्स हैं. इन जनरल फॉर्म में अगर हमने लिखना है, तो इन जनरल फॉर्म में मैट्रिक्स को कैसे लिखते हैं, A11, A12, A13 up to A1n, A21, 22, 23 up to 2n, सिमिलरली AM1, M2, AM3 up to AMn. ऑर्डर है m by n. अब A1, A2 क्यों नहीं लिखा, A11, A12 क्यों लिखा? ठीक है. जो फर्स्ट वाला एलिमेंट है वो उस एलिमेंट की रो को डिनोट करता है, जो सेकंड वाला है वो उसके कॉलम को डिनोट करता है. कैसे? A11 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, A12 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, A13 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम. रो फर्स्ट चल रही है, कॉलम चेंज हो रहा है. ऐसे A1n मीन्स फर्स्ट रो nth कॉलम. सिमिलरली A21 सेकेंड रो स्टार्ट होगी, तो A2 सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम, एंड सो ऑन अप टू n. सिमिलरली AM1 m रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, m रो सेकेंड कॉलम, m रो थर्ड कॉलम, m रो nth कॉलम. तो ऑर्डर इज m by n. Now here each element has two suffixes. The first suffix indicates the row and the second suffix indicates the column in which the element lies. That is, in Aij, the first element represent row and second element represent column. A matrix is usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. Thus, a matrix of order m by n may be written as A is equal to Aij m by n or A is equal to simply Aij. Okay? ब्रैकेट डालनी है. नेक्स्ट है टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. टाइप्स में फर्स्ट है रियल मैट्रिक्स. तो व्हाट इज रियल मैट्रिक्स? अ मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी रियल इफ ऑल इट्स एलिमेंट्स आर रियल नंबर्स. जितने भी इसमें एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं वो सारे रियल नंबर्स हैं. देन द मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज रियल मैट्रिक्स. रेक्टेंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर m by n is said to be rectangular if number of rows are not equal to number of columns. That is, m is not equal to n. For example, these two matrices are rectangular matrices. Okay? इसकी रेक्टेंगल वाली शेप बन रही है, रेक्टेंगल वाली शेप बन रही है. ठीक है. तो इट मीन्स रेक्टेंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है. नेक्स्ट है स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. नो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स is a matrix of order m by n is said to be square if number of rows are equal to number of columns. Okay? Number of rows are equal to number of columns. और जो शेप बनेगी वो स्क्वायर जैसी बनेगी. नेक्स्ट है रो मैट्रिक्स. Row matrix is matrix of order 1 by n. A matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. Only one row. one row. Similarly, column matrix, a matrix of order m by 1. In row matrix, order is 1 by n, and in column matrix, order is m by 1. That is one column. A matrix having only one column is known as column matrix. And next is the null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix in which each element is equal to 0 is known as null matrix. Each element is equal to 0. Next, sum matrix. A matrix obtained from a given matrix by deleting some rows or columns or both is called sum matrix. So, for example, A कोई मैट्रिक्स है, ठीक है, 3014 3014. We have deleted first row, fourth column, second column. Then the matrix obtained is sub matrix of this matrix A. Okay. तो इस A मैट्रिक्स से आप कितनी सारी सब मैट्रिक्स बना सकते हो. जैसे if we delete this, then 0 minus 1 3 5 is also sub matrix. If we delete this, this is also sub matrix of order 3 by 2. That is, it has 3 rows and 2 columns. So sub matrix is obtained by deleting rows and columns or both. Next is diagonal matrix. A square matrix. Diagonal matrix is always a square matrix. So a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0 is called diagonal matrix. That is, all non-diagonal elements are 0, but diagonal elements are non-zero. It can be negative, positive, or 0 also. These two are examples of diagonal matrix. Next is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. If all the diagonal elements are equal, then matrix is known as scalar matrix. Now here Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j, and k when I is equal to j. What is the meaning of this? Aij equal to 0 when I not equal to j. This element is 1 1. A 1 1. Here I is equal to j. I is equal to j. तो k आ गया, जो भी कांस्टेंट हम लेते हैं. When I is not equal to j, A 1 2, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. I is not equal to j, then result is 0. Similarly, A 1 3. I is not equal to j, it means result is 0. Next is unit matrix or identity matrix. A scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is unity. That is, if diagonal elements are 1 1, then the matrix is known as unit matrix. Okay. Or we denote the unit matrix by IN. If n is equal to 2, then it is 2 by 2 unit matrix. If n is equal to 3, then it is 3 by 3 unit matrix, and so on. Next is triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all elements either below or above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a triangular matrix. क्या है? कोई भी मैट्रिक्स है, ये प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल हो गया. Either elements below this diagonal is 0 or the elements above this diagonal are 0. तो triangular matrix क्या है? Square matrix in which all the elements either below or above दोनों में से एक होना चाहिए। अगर दोनों 0 हो गए तो वो क्या बन गई, डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स बन गई। अबव एलिमेंट्स भी 0 है, बिलो एलिमेंट्स भी 0 है। तो a square matrix in which all the elements either below or above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a triangular matrix. Thus, a triangular matrix is either upper triangular or lower triangular. How it is upper triangular, lower triangular? Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Upper means all the elements below डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर 0। ट्राइंगल जो है नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट्स का ऊपर वाली साइड बन रहा है, देन द मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज अपर ट्रायंगुलर। अगर ये एलिमेंट 0 है, यहां पे नॉन जीरो है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे लोअर ट्रायंगुलर। तो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल द एलिमेंट्स अबव द प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल आर 0 is called lower triangular. Similarly, equal matrices, two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if they have same order and their corresponding elements are equal. That is, if A is equal to Aij m by n, B is equal to Bij p by q, then A is equal to B. A is equal to B if m is equal to p and n is equal to q. That is, m is equal to p, n is equal to q. That is, number of rows are equal, also number of columns are equal. And second thing is, if Aij is equal to Bij, that is, all the elements of matrix A are equal to all the elements of matrix B. Suppose A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to E, F, G, H. Then these two matrices are equal if first element is equal to first element, second equal to second, third equal to third, and fourth equal to fourth. That is, A is equal to E, A is equal to E, B is equal to F, C is equal to G, and D is equal to H. Then these two matrices are said to be equal matrices. तो थैंक यू बच्चों। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है देन प्लीज शेयर, लाइक, बट सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। थैंक यू।